Today is not about traveling. It's about keeping my Mini Rover in good condition for the next adventure. I replaced the clutch fluid and brake fluid to make sure everything stays smooth, safe, and reliable on the road. While I was at it, I also made a small adjustment to the handbrake. It's not a big job, but these little maintenance tasks make a huge difference, especially when I'm carrying my roof tent, camping gear, and camera equipment. Regular maintenance may not be the most exciting part of owning a Mini Rover, but it's what keeps the journey going and gives me confidence for the next road trip.